Hey everyone, a couple new British cars in the collection today. These are pretty new arrivals, especially this one. This is a Mclaren Gt by GT Spirit. Now the GT series is McLaren's kind of attempt at more of a comfortable Grand Tourer, hence GT, which is what Grand Tour stands, GT, there you go. Mainly because there's this area under the glass engine cover or plastic engine cover that you can put luggage, and it's kind of like leather lined, although your items are going to get quite hot. Anyway, this has a decent amount of grills that are open mesh, so that's good. I complain about that when they're not. This one right here is closed, but I don't know. It might be closed on the real car. Every other one, like these side ducts, that is open mesh. Paintwork is pretty good. Wheels and tires pretty good. Interior detailing, from what you can make out, is fine. I do think GT Spirit quality has gone down a little bit over the past year's worth of releases. That's just my opinion. Pretty good looking car overall. These always have a derivative of a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. A little over 600, like 610, 612 horsepower. So not exactly slow. Car number 420 of $999. This was found on Replicars on sale. It is still on sale at Replicars. I think $59. Retails like $139 at that price. Wouldn't be mad at it. It's still there if you want to pick one up. It's also on sale for a similar price on wholesale diecast. Coupon code NEXT. It's about $60, $70. Here's your boring black box with a little bit of a preview of the car. Next up is the Jaguar. I'm really bad with Roman numerals. I think it's the Mark 8. So it's a V and 3 slashes. So I think that's 8. This is by BOS. Again, sealed resin. I really like the two-tone. This is very similar to the Paragon Daimler that I did 2 weeks ago. Very similar car. This would have the engine almost identical to the XK140, 3.4 liter straight 6, variety of outputs. I think tops out about 190 horsepower depending on the carb setup and the head. These were fairly quick cars for a day. This is in 1957 per the markings underneath. Very nice interior, simulated wood from what you can make out. Again, the two-tone really sells it. I think it's a great looking car. I really do miss BOS. This came from when they were going out of business a little over a year ago. I had bought a Paragon Jaguar E-Type race car, but I really wanted this, and my friend had bought this also on sale from American Excellence, so we traded because I like to focus more on street cars. So that was a good trade. Each of us had invested like $60 or so on $130 retail, so not mad at that price either. Car number 235 out of 504. So not a large production run. It's interesting to see the molded in sunroof in the open position. It's a little different. Grille detail very good. Just a really nice piece overall. Very typical package of the black and gold. Really not much to see there. Typical styro. Nothing too exciting. A little exciting is I finally finished the cabinets. You can actually see in the preview picture the spacing's much better now. Just give me 2 weeks. I need to clean all of these cars before I do the annual video. So keep an eye out for that. Everyone please like and subscribe and have a good one. Bye-bye.